Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be different than usual because this is super laid back, super relaxed. I tied my hair back because we couldn't agree on which way it should go. The hair was going this way and I was going this way, and I was like, forget it, I'm just going to tie it back. And I'm super relaxed today. Got my massive mug of juice slash diabetes today. And we got some chips. I'm going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly of Doordash. What you have to worry about, the things that are amazing, and then the things that are ugly. There aren't that many, but there is one. So without further ado, let's dive right in. I really hope this doesn't make super loud noises, but really don't care that much. Alright. That was disgusting. I need to close my mouth when I'm chewing. Alright, let's talk about the good first of all. Almost everybody knows the good of Doordash. Number one, you are your own boss. Who doesn't love that? Everyone loves to be in charge of their schedule. Everyone does not want to be told what to do. And everyone wants to decide when they want to do what. And if they decide they want to work hard, they can make a lot of money. If they decide it's a lazy day, I just want to do a couple of deliveries, that's fantastic as well. And you can still do that, which is absolutely amazing. Autonomy is one of the things I value most on Doordash. That's one of the reasons I do Doordash. I use my car, I go on my time, and I do whatever the heck I want. Even when you're delivering, you drive at your pace. You could go a little bit slower, a little bit quicker, depending on what you want to do, what you want to accomplish that day. So, number one, autonomy. Very, very impressive and very important on Doordash. So, I value autonomy on Doordash, and that's one of the biggest positives Doordash offers. Number two, the pay. Obviously, DoorDash's pay is pretty damn great for the amount of experience you have. You could have no experience, you can have a basic understanding of the English language, and you could still do DoorDash. If you have a car, if you have a driver's license, and if you have a phone, you could do DoorDash. It doesn't even matter how old your car is. You just need to get from point A to point B, and you can do that job. It offers around $21, $22 an hour in most areas, which is really nice. That's like $40,000 a year if you do it full time. And that's much, much better than minimum wage and much better than what most other jobs offer. So, let's get back to the chips. What are some bad sides of Doordash? Doordash is unpredictable. And what I mean by that is you're dealing with the general public. And some days you'll have good days. Some days you'll have bad days. Some days the customers will be kind, they'll provide tips. Other times customers will just be having a bad day and they'll kind of throw it on you as well. So one of the bad things about Doordash is working with the public and the unpredictability of it. But that's to say, you could say that for any job where you have to work with the general public. Another bad thing is the unpredictability of the schedule. Sometimes when you want to go out to work, DoorDash doesn't have deliveries available at that time. Sometimes when you're feeling like you don't want to work, there's a massive peak pay. So the schedule is weird. You kind of have to work on DoorDash's schedule. I kind of addressed this earlier. If you want to maximize your earnings, you have to work on DoorDash's schedule, which is kind of bad. It would be nice to have to work on your own schedule and still make the same amount of money at all times. But I understand the gig economy enough to say that's not really a possibility unless DoorDash becomes like Amazon. And I don't see that happening in the near future. So one of the bad sides of DoorDash is just the unpredictability of the schedule. Another bad side is you have to use your own vehicle, so you will have to do the maintenance. You will have to deal with a lot of stuff. There is a chance you get into a crash if you're doing a gig economy type of a job. So there is that downside, a potential for that downside as well. So let's move on over to the ugly. The only ugly thing I could think about when it comes to DoorDash is the mask. The mask is so annoying. But this could be said for any job. I just hate the red DoorDash logo mask. I wear my own, but it's not fun to be wearing masks. You breathe on yourself and you're out there and you're all hot, and I get nauseous when I'm wearing a mask. I don't know if it's the lack of air or just, yeah, the lack of air. I really don't have an alternative to why I get nauseous when I wear a mask. But yeah, I get nauseous when I wear a mask. I hate it. Especially in the heat, man. Like, come on. Come on. But yeah, guys, those are some good, some bad, some uglies. I know this video wasn't super professional. I know it wasn't super professional, but I like this laid back type of schedule. I was feeling kind of lazy, but I still wanted to put a video up for you guys today. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. I do crazy videos, some videos like this, some other professional videos, some videos where it's funny, others where it's not. I can't be 100% every day. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.